Coming together nice. That looks amazing. Look at that already. Alright guys, we're going to be making a smoothie bowl, 25 grams and up roughly. So I have a Waring Future Series blender, glass jar from the 1960s/1970s. I have 2 bananas in here already cut up. That's going to give you a little bit of protein right there. Hemp powder, good fats, good fiber, good amino acid profile, you name it right here. 4 tablespoons is going to give you 15 grams. I have 2 tablespoons in here right there, okay? Not only that, I have some hemp hearts. 3 tablespoons is going to kind of give you about 10 grams, okay? So we have that right there. That's about 20 to 25. And that's not even including the flaxseed, the chia seed. That's what I'm talking about when somebody says, hey, where do you get your protein at? Right there, guys. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of more flaxseed. That's going to give about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to add some ginger in there for inflammation. I'm going to go ahead and add some water. I don't want to make it too thin. I'm going to pop the top on there. Give that bad boy a whirl. If I need to add more water, I will. All right, guys, so this is what I have going on right now. I have some raspberries and I have blueberries. Both of those are good for immunity, digestion, hydration. Absolutely love these 2 right here. Major players in the game, guys. Strawberries also does kind of the same thing. Beautiful. Bananas right there, guys. Absolutely love them for the minerals and vitamins. This right here is beautiful. Then I have some sunflower butter. Not only does this boast 2 tablespoons with 8 grams of protein, you are well above 25, guys. I do have another little type of hemp hearts right here that we're going to go add on the top. Remember, this is roughly 25 and up. Okay? Remember this nice little hemp smoothie mixture I just made? Look at that. Beautiful. We're going to put that right there. So this is where the creativity comes in, guys. This is a high fiber one also. All right. We're just going to kind of decorate it any way that I want today. All right. Be creative. Do your own thing. All right. We're going to put some of that there. This is a meal in itself. Let me tell you guys. You have the ginger for the inflammation. You have the flaxseed for the omega-3s, 6s, and 9s. Okay? You also have the bananas in there for the potassium and the mineral profile. Look at that. It's going to be beautiful just like that. We're going to put another one there. We're going to maybe put another one right there. Okay? That's looking pretty dang good. We're going to fill in these rows right here with a little bit of strawberries. That is coming together very nicely. Look at the color. Beautiful. Got that one there. Got that one there. I'm going to go ahead and stick a few more on the side because I'm liking the color of this red. Aren't you? I'm going to put that right there. We're going to squeeze these guys in on the side. Wow, look at that. That is a big strawberry right there, guys. Okay, that's looking pretty dang good. I do have some wild blueberries. And I'm going to go ahead and put maybe a nice, just right there in the middle. A nice little pile in the middle to give it some nice color. Beautiful. I do have some raspberries over here. I'm just going to go ahead and put in the front. Maybe on the side over here. Maybe on the bananas. I'm going to put that there. We're going to put that one there. Maybe a bigger one over there. Okay. And maybe one here, maybe one there. Coming together nice. That looks amazing. Look at that already. We do have some hemp parts right here. I'm just going to kind of sprinkle right there and right there. Sunflower butter, guys. Remember, 2 tablespoons is going to be 8 grams of protein. I'm not going to put it all in. I'm just going to kind of dab it around a little bit and dab it around here and there. Okay? There's no right or wrong way to do this. That is looking so good. Beautiful. Let me go ahead and give you a close-up like I always do. Look at that. Beautiful. So we have the raspberries, we have the strawberries, we have the bananas, we have the hemp hearts, the sunflower butter, we have the hemp powder, we have the flaxseed, the chia seed. We have everything underneath the sun here for a 25 gram and up smoothie bowl, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Until next time, guys.